Hi there. If you've seen the name Whop floating around, but you're not totally sure what it is or how it actually works, this video is for you. I'm going to explain exactly what Whop is, who it's for, what you can sell on it, and why so many creators are choosing it to build and run their digital business. What is Whop? At its core, Whop is a platform that helps you sell access to anything digital, apps, content, communities, tools, services, classes, and more. It's built for creators, developers, entrepreneurs who want a simple, all in one solution to host, sell, and deliver their product or service online. Whether you're offering a course, a private Discord group, coaching, templates, or even access to an AI tool, WAP helps you organize it, present it, and get paid. So some might ask, who uses WAP? WAP is used by a wide range of people. Here are a few examples: creators who run subscription based Discord, developers who sell bots or web tools, teachers offering online classes or resources, coaches hosting one on one sessions or group challenges, entrepreneurs selling Notion templates, Google Docs, swipe files, even editors who sell video packs, digital downloads, and even the clipping that goes on in WAP. If you got a digital product or a digital space, people can access, right? WAP gives you the tools to manage it and sell it. So, what makes WAP different? There are many other platforms like Gumroad, Shopify, Patreon, even School, but WAP brings everything into one place. You don't need to set up your own website. You don't need to connect 5 tools just to get paid. And you don't need to manually send files or access links with WAP. Once a customer makes a purchase, they get immediate access to what you're offering automatically, whether that's a Discord invite, a download, a link, or a product page. It's all built in. And because WAP supports one time payments, subscriptions, and bundles, you have total control on how you price and deliver. So, what can you sell on WAP? Here's a quick list of what people are successfully selling on WAP. So, a lot of people might give you access to private communities like Discord or Telegram. They might sell digital files, ebooks, templates, swipe files, web based tools, bots, Chrome extensions, online courses, coaching programs, lesson packs, AI tools or automations, and even packages that include all of the above. So you can bundle products together so you can sell access to a community plus a set of files plus weekly coaching sessions all in one package. All right, that's one of WAP's biggest strengths, how flexible it is for creators. So, how to get started? Well, getting started is as simple as apple pie. Go to whop.com/sell. Click Start Selling. Give your WAP a name. This will be your brand or business hub. Start adding apps, and these are your core features: chat, downloads, courses, etc. You can create your first product by setting a name, price, what the buyer gets. Customize your storefront page so people can find it, read, and trust your offer. Set up payments by connecting your bank account through Stripe. Finally, share your Whop store link wherever you promote: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, etc. All right? Your videos, your content anywhere, and that's it. You're live. Simple as that. So
Okay.
Whop is perfect for
Test 1 2.
anyone
Test
who has
1 2.
something digital to sell. It could be you. It could be your content, your expertise, your tools, your time, or your community. You don't need to be an influencer. You don't need to be monetized. You don't need to be this big YouTuber. All right. You don't need a huge following. You need a clear offer and the drive to share it. So if that sounds like you, Whop gives you the tools to start and scale. And finally, to sum it all up, Whop is your online storefront, your delivery system, your community hub, your payment processor, all in one place. It helps you sell faster, deliver cleaner, and build smarter without needing to hire a developer or string together a bunch of tools. If you said, I want to launch something, but you don't know where to start, start here. Go to the link below in the description to create your Whop today and take the first step toward building something of your own. Thank you, everyone, and see you in the next video.